In 2008, they start at 30 million sales, and most of its readers were people over 50 years. The next year, they have a slight increase in their sales by 10 millions, and the number of young readers under 25 years increased a little bit. The next year, Julia Fashion reached their top of sales at 50 millions, but their young readers between 25 and 50 years overcome the older ones. The last year they have a gradually decrease around and they get around 45 million sales, and their number of young readers between 25 and 50 years increased again.